Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If you are remotely connecting to a computer that has multiple displays set up, AnyDesk allows you to easily switch between them, or even view them all simultaneously on your local machine. I will show you exactly how to navigate and configure these multi-monitor setups right now. Let's get started. First, we will look at how to jump back and forth between screens within a single session. Once you are connected to the remote computer, look at the AnyDesk toolbar at the top of your screen. You will see an icon that looks like a small computer monitor, usually with a number inside it indicating your current screen. Click this icon to open the Display drop-down menu, where you can simply click on the specific monitor you want to view, allowing you to instantly switch your feed between Display 1, Display 2, and so on. Next, if you need to actively see two different remote monitors at the exact same time instead of switching back and forth, you must open multiple connection windows. Simply go back to your local AnyDesk main menu, open a new tab, and initiate a second connection to the exact same remote ID. Once the second session window opens, use the monitor icon in its top toolbar to select the second screen. You can now pull the tab out and place these two independent windows side by side on your own physical desktop. Finally, viewing multiple remote monitors can sometimes cause resolution mismatches or make text difficult to read on your end. Click the Display Settings icon in the top toolbar, which looks like a monitor with a gear or magnifying glass, and adjust your view mode. Setting it to Shrink will ensure the entire remote screen fits perfectly inside your local window, while selecting Original will display it at its true resolution, which provides the best clarity but will require you to scroll if the remote monitor is larger than yours. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.